great dermatologists not help us only to cure our skin, help our skin to glow, but also help us to feel confident. Hello everyone, I am Nikki, your host for this evening. Today we have a very special guest with us. ज़्यादा देर ना करते हुए उन्हीं का आमंत्रण करते हैं. We have a very special guest with us, Dr. Paramita Gogoi. Ma'am, welcome to my show.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Firstly, we will start from your journey, your childhood journey till now. Please tell us.
I was born and brought up in Guwahati, have done my schooling here, college life here, my medical life in Guwahati Medical College, and then I moved to Delhi where I have done my MBA in hospital administration. Thereafter I moved to Mumbai. Mumbai being a glamorous city, you know how it is. You always focus on your health, you focus on your beauty, both inner and outer. So there I got to explore many new avenues which were not known to me when I was in Guwahati, right? So I got to explore many things. Then I got a degree in aesthetics from America. My degree is from American Board, and my practical was in Dubai. So it was a 2-year course which I have done very nicely. I was one of the lucky ones that I got a chance to go to Dubai for my training. And then thereafter immediately I opened a clinic in Mumbai. By God's grace, it went all very well. I opened a second clinic out there. So that was going on well. So sum and substance, it was like whatever I wished for in this line, I got it in Mumbai. Then
so your journey starts from Mumbai only?
This line, yes, it starts from Mumbai. I had been there for the last now almost 15 years. So my clinic, it's still there. One of my clinics is still there. So this is my second clinic out here. I had to move to Guwahati because of the sudden death of my dad. My mom, she became all alone. So you have to be there with your family also. It's not always profession. So that is how this clinic came into inception.
Okay,
in 2018 we started.
2018
so it's going to be 7 years now.
Okay, but how in dermatology?
This is one thing which I was always, in awe of, to beautify a person. Because see, it's not only beautifying a patient, it's about increasing the self-confidence of the patient. When you are self-confident, you face the world with confidence, right? Yeah. So being a woman, who else can understand that? So this is one thing which I was always, you can say lured. This is the one that I always wanted to be in this profession. But I did not know when I was in Guwahati that yes, there are avenues there. So when I went there, as I said, 1 and 1, 2 clicked, and this is how it happened.
Okay, so you have some experience, some rewarding experience in this field. So can you please share some?
Rewarding in the sense, when I started my clinic in Mumbai, Mumbai is very vast, right? So we have different avenues. So I got a very good way of the promising clinic in Mumbai, Andheri. So that boosted my confidence, right? Then I think you must have heard about Dr. Jashish Raj. She's one of the most leading cosmetologists. She wanted me to work with her. And she was pestering me, please come and work with me. Which is something very good for me because she being a very leading dermatologist, cosmetologist, she wanted also
so she was your idol, we can say.
You can say, because I really adore her a lot. So that is how it happens. So then there were a few awards which came. It's a recognition. You also get recognition for your work. So this is how it goes.
But somehow we can see now Guwahati is also developing.
It's developed like anything. The time when I left Guwahati and the Guwahati which is now, see, I got everything in a cakewalk. Because see, when I came back, it was like almost here. But then again, even we had to toil hard. Right? So we also did our own fair share of hard work. So this is how we are here.
Can you share a challenging case also?
Challenging case?
Like people may come to you like, ma'am, ye kaise
more than challenge, see, you have to be very realistic about your goals. I cannot make someone like Katrina Kaif when she is not like that. We can only try our best. See, when it's a skin problem, say you have an acne scar or pigmentation, I am 100% sure of my results. I always tell my patients, I don't know about other doctors, I give 100% assurance that I will cure you. But suppose some comes for the lips, some comes for the nose, or they want to change the symmetry of the face, right? So how can, if you're not born like the features of Katrina Kaif, I cannot make you that, right? So that thing, they do not understand it properly. So that is a quite thing like very challenging. But then again, with proper counseling and everything, yes, it happens. And now being fair is a craze. So you have lots of patients for that. I want to become this tone, I want to become this tone. So at the same time, see, you will do your work, but at the same time, you have to counsel the patient also. It's not only about you just giving the treatment, it's how you counsel the patient. So that is how it is.
Tell us about your clinic. Is aesthetic
It's an aesthetic
Yes.
clinic. We do all type of treatments here, starting from pigmentation, scars, acne, then anti-aging. Anti-aging, maybe see with age, our skin tends to sag. You know, we have all the problems, so that is taken care of. Someone wants have a very broad and flat nose, so they want to augment it. Lips also we augment. We augment the cheeks. So we want a slim contour of the face. So everything is possible. So we do that. We do even body parts also, where we do lifting and all.
So Guwahati people are also doing
They
that.
are aware, yes, they have developed it. But I get all patients all across Northeast. So you can understand they are much more here. But even in Guwahati, you can see. Guwahati people are more disease oriented. Like someone is having a scar or a pigmentation or acne. But you know, for people from the Northeast, other parts of the states, like they are more, you know, conscious. Kisi ne, you know, they will do the nose or they will do the, it's a job, but it's good.
But means Bhagwan ne banaya kuch hai, now they are,
See,
you know.
that is why when the patient comes, my first, I don't know about others, but I counsel my patients. If this is what it is, so, and it's
So
not
counseling is very important.
very
no?
important. You just cannot be sitting here for the money. I will very sure. You have to be very realistic. And yes, see, someone has a very flat and broad nose, which is not giving her confidence. So obviously you can augment it, which is not, you know, giving her any harm. It's not causing any harm. It's not having any side effect. It's mentally boosting her. So why not?
But many people think after this some side effects will happen
No
or
side
something
effects.
like
See,
that.
it depends on the doctor who does. Your hands also matter. But yes, there can be side effects if you don't do properly. That's why we always advise, if few treatments, please go to a certified doctor. See, nowadays lasers, anybody does. I have done a course on lasers for 1 year. Practical, everything. So I know in and out of lasers. You just cannot give a sitting and do that this is laser. So you should know in and out. So everything. This line is about all this. Even see, to become a surgeon, you need to need to undergo the treatment. You just cannot go and cut the appendix or the gallbladder, right? Same for us.
Skin and hair both.
Both. So hair boosting, transplant I don't do here. So someone has hair loss or there's mild patches of hair, then we do, yeah.
Hair loss treatment also.
Hair loss treatments, hair growth treatments, hair boosting treatments. Because many people nowadays, chemical bonding, I mean, rebonding and everything is so much, you know, common. So people come with dry hair, they come with hair loss. Yes, all these are
But
taken care
people,
of.
they doesn't know that Guwahati itself is growing and they have good services here
But
also.
now they are being little bit aware. So they are. But I will not say. As I said, the Guwahati which I left 10 years back, the Guwahati which I came back after that 10 years, was very different.
So I just wanted to ask a question like how food is related to our
Food,
health.
see, good
you know?
food. I mean, see, I'm not telling you to have boiled food, but then food, you have good, very good, nice antioxidants, which are natural. Like you have berries in your food, like you have carrots, or you have a beet juice, beetroot juice. Then avoid little bit of too much of fried foods. Suppose you're having acne, your diet will be totally different from a normal person, right?
yeah.
So if you're just maintaining yourself, and as you age, so your diet will differ. Will include lots of antioxidants, you know, something which you can get in your kitchen. You don't have to buy it from outside. So that is how it is.
Home food is good.
Home
huh?
food is good, yeah, but we give supplements. Suppose you're having already too much problems, then along with the home food, we have to give you supplements. Like you go to the doctor for appendix, we remove the appendix, but still we give you some medicines for a certain period of time. Same is for the skin.
But it help us to, you
It
know.
really helps. It really helps, but then you'll have to have the right product, right supplement. You just cannot go and do anything. That's
So how you are balancing your life, like work life and, you know,
Work-life
professional
balance,
life?
ask my staff, they will tell you the amount of shit I'm going through right now. It's like, sorry for that word, cuss word, but then again, see, being a working lady, it's not only being a doctor, but a working lady, I think is same across. You have 2 kids growing up, so you have to give them care. So I have a clinic in Mumbai to run, I have a clinic, this clinic. But this is how it is. I love my work. I've been working since years. So when I don't get to work, I feel little. Yeah, I
There
didn't
are
come to work.
some, you know, young women who want to pursue in this field.
Many people come.
What do you want to give
See,
them?
it's dedication
advice?
after all. It's not shortcut. It's dedication. Do your groundwork properly. Yes, you will shine, because we have worked hard. And I was very lucky because I got to work first in Mumbai. So in Mumbai, you get all type of, you know, you get very clingy patients also. You get very good patients also. All the most of the TV models and all I have catered to. So I have nakhra bhi maine bahut seh liya. So I know how it is. So Guwahati was nothing for me, frankly.
Yeah.
So because you know, I can understand that. No, that mindset of the models out there. Not only models, the people are also very educated. Anybody will come, they know everything.
Yeah.
So it's challenging you.
काउंसलिंग की जरूरत होती है?
उन लोग को काउंसलिंग इसके लिए जरूरी होती है बिकॉज दे नो टू मच विच इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट.
Okay.
सो व्हेन यू नो टू मच आल्सो इट्स नॉट गुड ना.
Yeah.
सो यू हैव टू काउंसल दैट ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है. हियर पीपल आर इग्नोरेंट, दे नो टू मच, एंड व्हेन यू नो टू मच आल्सो इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. सो दैट वाइज बट यस काउंसलिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट एवरीवेयर.
तो हर एज में हर उसमें अलग अलग होता है ना.
Yeah. So laser hair removal, someone like, see, you are blessed, we are blessed. Some people have very facial hair because of some hormonal issues. For a girl, it is very, you can, people cry. You can, when the girls, they come and cry, ki this is like, you know, letting them down. Of course, you have facial hair like a guy. So all these things we counsel, ki it will go dhire dhire. You have to also be very, so diet maintenance, lifestyle maintenance, all these things come into.
Somehow it gives directly or
It
indirectly
boosts,
confidence.
it gives, yeah, it boosts. Who doesn't want to look beautiful in and out, right?
Exactly,
So this is
exactly.
But then you should not overstep the line. That's it.
Too much into this
True,
is
true,
also
true.
bad, na? But we can see कि धीरे धीरे you know treatments new आ रहे हैं. अभी AI ने जैसे जगह ले ली है. So what do you want to say about that?
See, treatments नहीं होगा. Everything is almost the same. Everything, you know, why do we improve ourselves? Because something new is coming out. It helps us. This is a competition. But then again, what I would like to say ki when your base is strong, you also need to upgrade yourself. So but then again, in the process of upgrading yourself, you should not lose your own identity. That's what I say. So your base work. That's it.
So no, the trend is like कि the younger girls, they want to look much.
I know, but then
older.
see, I get lots who are from the they are, you know, pursuing air hostess ka ya modeling. So they come. They want this, they want that. So we cater to them, but we also tell them कि इतना ही important है. You don't overstep it, right? Because if you want to augment your nose or it doesn't have any side effect. But then you should not overdo things because sometimes it again affects your psyche in the long run, right? So that is how it is.
So what message you want to give in the last all these things?
Keep looking beautiful, maintain your diet, your lifestyle. Ultimately, that matters a lot. If you do a treatment here, that doesn't guarantee you, it guarantees you good skin, but in the long run, it is you who will be with your own skin. So live life, be happy. That's it.
Live life and be happy. That's the main mantra.
That's the main mantra of life.
Thank you, viewers, for watching us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.